the message of love and affection and care to each other. It also spreads the message of humanity to the society by helping the needy one in the society irrespective of their caste, religion, etc. Actually, this is the message of Onam.
It's a festival that celebrates the anti-hero, Mahabali. It's a festival of fallen victim of injustice rather than the hero. It's also known for Harvest Festival. As you all know, it is one of the very secular festivals celebrated by all over the Kerala without caste and creed.
There may be different culture and different style of working, style of our dress, but ultimately we are all Indians and we are all working for our nation. On this occasion, I take this opportunity once again to congratulate Kalpaka Cultural Association, who is working hard to preserve their integrity and culture in Goa and in Goa as a whole. We are fortunate to have our brothers, Malayali brothers in Goa, who are helping in every sector of Goa's development.
The best qualities they have, they give it to them. So that is one thing. One thing, we Goans are very nice people. We are so accommodating people. We accommodate anybody. And we accommodate our land. It is not that we take years to accommodate them. You must have experienced it that your houses are in between like our houses. But you must have never felt it that you are outsiders. Your Goa government, all facilities are also there. We just put that restriction 15 years. So many of you are also getting government job because you have got that domicile. We are so, adjusting. So basically, we and Malayalis, I think we, met with each other, and we, whatever the deficiencies we have, that we accommodate, whatever what you are accommodating. It's very nice.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.